Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all on a hot topic. I did a one-on-one consultation, and I brought to my attention that the Freedom Credit Union is a hot topic right now. They want to know about the video I did over 2 years ago about joining them, applying for their credit cards. If it's a $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 limit, you could liquidate the total amount. So it's not like a lot of credit cards out there where they only letting you liquidate maybe 20%, 30% of the credit card depending on your limit. If you get approved today with $25,000 limit with the Freedom Visa cashback card, you could liquidate it instantly, as long as you have a checking account set up and a savings account set up. You'll be able to transfer that money instantly into that account, and you can start investing or whatever you want to do with the money. You know, I did a lot of videos years ago on Navy Federal. You could have did this with Navy Federal credit cards back in the days, but a lot of things changed. A lot of policies has updated, and a lot of people took advantage of it. And this is the reason for the updates. So Navy Federal is out the question right now. Freedom Credit Union is probably the last credit union / bank that you could do this with one of their credit cards. So you might be saying, what do I need to join? Well, if you're in the Bucks County area, if you're in the Delaware area, if you're in the Philadelphia area, you will be able to join. But I have did plenty of videos in the past 5 years. I've been online, people, showing you the backdoor method, how to join credit unions. Easy, simple, you could get it done within 5 minutes, right? So go ahead, join, start a relationship, open a checking and savings, start getting direct deposit, and then give it about 91 days and then go and apply for the credit card, which is the cashback Visa card, which is really good. And if you're looking for business credit, people, listen closer. If you're looking for lines of credit, they got lines of credit you could get with them. Investments, you could get it, all those. I'm always getting this question, getting a auto loan under your commercial. You could do it with them too. This is an all-around bank. If you're trying to get a mortgage, if you're trying to refinance, it doesn't matter. They have everything for you. But I noticed I've been getting emails about the Freedom Credit Union. I haven't done a lot of videos on the Freedom Credit Union, but yes, this credit union, if you do join and you do build a relationship and you do get a credit card, you can liquidate it. This is an easy way to liquidate. You know, a lot of times I'm not doing a lot of videos on liquidations anymore. We are past that. We're showing you how to master your personal credit score and then start building your business credit, so then you can start getting business lines of credit. You know, the days of liquidating personal credit cards and business credit cards is long past. We on a different journey in our life. We're talking about lines of credit. If you have to go on the personal side, it's okay, but I always recommend people build that personal side up strong and start putting all your debt on the business side. So I will leave the link for this credit union down below. And if you want, you could go back on my old videos, breaking down the whole video on all the products that they have. This is simple and easy. And for all those, once again, looking to build a personal credit score, you could go right on my website. That is in the description right below. Go to the store section. This is simple. Once you go to the store section, scroll right down to the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide, where you can start building your personal credit. If you're having problems with collection, charge-offs, late payments, if you're in the check system, everything is there. And for all those that's a little bit more advanced, you could go over again to that same store section. And if you want to learn how to business guide to building wealth step by step, you have that ebook as well for free, people, showing you how to build your credit scores the proper way and the right way. I want to see everybody win. This is 2026. It should be no reason why people are running around with 400 credit scores, 500 credit scores, or no credit score. I've been showing you step by step how to scale your life. It should be no excuse, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.